Okay, everybody. So today I wanted to do something a little different. I'm going to be doing a review video. I wanted to review this Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Secret Glow Highlighter. And so it looks like there's absolutely nothing in this pan, but it's actually like a clear, glossy, and basically it is this um, product that's supposed to help your skin look super duper glowy and youthful. So I wanted to try this because a celebrity makeup artist that I've been following was showing this product, and she's, was testing it out on her finger, and she said that it looks like it's wet. It looks like it's wet, but it's actually dry. So I wanted to purchase this and test it out myself. So it looks like there's nothing in the tin, but it's actually the product. It is the product. So I kind of wanted to test this out. So my initial thought on it is it's not dry. Okay, first of all, it's not a dry, it doesn't feel like a powder, like an eyeshadow or anything like that. And that's what I thought it was going to be like, but it's not. It is, it's not sticky like a gloss would be, like a lip gloss, but it's not dry by any means. So I'm going to just place this on areas that I would like my face to look more dewy and glowy. So I'm going to just pat this into my skin right here, just because this is the area that I really like kind of highlighted and dewy and glowy, as well as my cheeks. And I don't know if this is how you're supposed to wear this product, but I've already applied my moisturizer. I just want to see. It doesn't feel like disgusting and sticky on my face, so I will give it that. But I wanted to kind of just apply it to a little bit of where I would like to look dewy. So I'm going to now apply my foundation and see. I don't know honestly how you're supposed to wear the product, because I didn't watch any like training videos on it or anything like that, but I just want to see how it works and blends with my foundation and stuff. Already immediately I can kind of feel, and you probably can't tell or notice the color difference, but I put the product right here on just my cheekbone, and my foundation definitely sticks to this area a lot more than the areas that I don't have that product on. But it doesn't make it look thick or heavy. So I will give it that. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell the dewiness. I mean, I can tell the dewiness, but my foundation also gives me quite a dewy look to begin with. So let me kind of, I'm gonna try and put some of this on top of my foundation and just kind of see. So I can tell that it is definitely buildable. I think it kind of goes on better with a brush. Yeah, for sure. It goes on a lot better with a brush versus just my finger. And I can tell a clear glossiness going on here. Yeah, so that's interesting. So I'm just gonna try this and see how it kind of blends in with my foundation, if it takes it away or moves around, just because I think those are important aspects to test and go over just because I don't want to steer anyone in the wrong direction on a product, especially a product that I'm not used to working with. So I don't think it takes away the foundation. I think it definitely moves it around just because you're putting another kind of glossy product on. But then I can always just easily add more foundation on top of it for anything that has been removed or moved around in places that I don't want it. And then the foundation doesn't take away from the dewy glossiness, right? So I'm kind of liking that. So let's go ahead and set this with my normal powder and see how the powder kind of reacts. Like, have you ever put a powdered blush on top of your foundation without setting it and just testing it out? And then it looks very clumpy and very, very dark and very thick. I just wanted to kind of test that out to see if when I powder my face, if it takes away the dewiness and glossiness. Okay, so I set my face with just some translucent powder, and I mean, I feel like on the camera it comes out differently than like in person, because if I look at my skin like up close in person, it still has that very dewy, glowy look without having to use a highlighter, which I do like because all the shimmery highlighters really accentuate like my wrinkles and my fine lines around my eyes. And so I will give this product that it doesn't have like a shimmery highlighter, but it still gives you that like glowy highlighted look without the shimmeriness. So I kind of do like this actually. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my blush. And I can feel that I have to use less product on my brush because I do feel like the product is making my skin a little bit more sticky. But it doesn't feel bad on my skin. Like, I can just tell the difference between when I have not used this product and versus when I am using this product right now, that my brush kind of sticks to my cheek a little bit more because of the new product. But I know what kind of brush to use, just out of my own experience. I know what brush to use. I know how to apply the product onto my brush ever so lightly without overdoing it. Okay, so I've got that on, and I am actually really liking it. I feel like my skin is very dewy and beautiful and youthful. It really doesn't feel any different than my normal foundation feels like on my skin. So I think that's really great. So I am liking it, and I don't feel like I need to like put on a highlighter over that, but it does make my skin very dewy and just pretty feeling, you know? I don't know how this would react to like having a mask over that. I wouldn't want to put a mask on, to be honest. I wouldn't, just because it feels a little sticky, like to my finger, to my face. Like, just having the product sit on my face, it feels fine and normal, like perfect. If I put my finger to my face, it has that little bit of a tacky feeling, just ever so slightly. I mean, I could probably put a ton more powder on, but I don't want to because I don't want to add and keep on adding like a pound of product to my face. So I like it. I really do. I feel like it just feels like my normal makeup. It doesn't feel sticky or gooey on my skin, which is a real plus because I do not like stickiness, sticky, tacky feelings on my skin. But if I touch it with my finger, I can obviously feel that the product is there. But it's not a bad feeling. So I just wanted to give that quick review on this product because one of the women that I follow that is a celebrity makeup artist has used this. She loves it. And I really wanted to give it a go because I'm really, really skeptical with this kind of stuff. So I'll link the product down below in the description box if you wanted to grab one of your own. I just bought this on the Makeup by Mario website, but they also have it, I believe, at Sephora also. So I wanted to give that quick review, and I will see you guys in the next video.